So guys, this we will be taking a look at our USDJPY, and this analysis will be a very quick one, by the way, because I've done a weekly analysis on this. You can actually check the channel and click on the you will see the weekly analysis on Euro USD, GBP USD, and USDJPY. Now let's see our USD JPY. Let's start with our weekly time frame. I think that would be better, by the way. Weekly time frame. It's not loading now. Well, okay, now see our daily time frame and our weekly time frame. Now we all can see our weekly time frame. The full trend is actually an uptrend move, and one of the things is that our price itself is above our 10-period moving average. So since our price is above our 10-period moving average, this is an indication that we are still on an uptrend move, and we all can see this our line here, which is our week, this candle week, which is about 139.394, 139. Let's just sit as 139, and we are currently trading at 137. So once our price came to this level, we saw a pullback level here. Let's see it like this. We were once in an uptrend move, then we had a pullback level, and now we are rallying up. So until we see this our price take out this our previous higher highs on our weekly time frame, this was our previous higher highs. Until our price take out our previous higher highs, then we might see a breakout of the level or a pullback. But before that, we want to take our buy position straight to our previous higher highs. That will be giving us at least 150 pips to grab. If you are to take it within this week, we should be able to grab the 150 pips. So this week, this week we would be considered going long on our USD JPY. Now let's see how we should take a trade on our daily time frame. You can see our price has now opened, and it is now going bullish, by the way. So today is 29, our price about opened. This today is 29 and our price has just opened. It has moved about 20 plus pips. We are going to still have a very huge amount of movement. So those of you that want to take this trade, you can actually take it, by the way. We are still going to be rallying up to take out this ice. Once we take out this ice, we might be seeing a drop, a pullback. Then you can now see a rally movement upward again on our USDJPY. So USDJPY, and take your buy position, and let us take out this ice here, which is about 139. Currently we are trading at 137. Once we take about 139, then we might see a pullback and a rally movement upward that will break above this our ice on our daily time frame. So daily time frame, a buy.